Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I got this easy Halloween kitty cat makeup look, then please stay tuned. So I already went ahead to do my foundation, my concealer, and my brows so that way we could get to the good part of this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm taking my Cameroon contour stick and I'm going to heavily contour my nose. So this is going to kind of give us that main part of this cat look. And so because we don't want our contour to be like, you know, our typical soft blended out contour, I'm going to use this brush to kind of just stamp that into place and kind of blend it out that way, because I do want those lines to still be very visible. I did have it meet my eyebrow because I do want it to kind of fade into that part. So taking a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with my actual contour shade and I'm going to just set, but also kind of define again that nose contour. Or we're gonna go ahead and make that kind of taper off and blend into our brows. So now that we have our contour, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna focus on the lower half of our face. You can use any yellow powder that you have. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go underneath this area here and I'm going to just kind of brighten that. And I'm just kind of stamping this underneath my eye. I did already set my eye with my Laura Mercier setting powder. And so this powder is just going to give us that brighter effect. You know how cats have that, like, not really cheekbones, but they have that upper part that's a little bit lighter and then they have, like, you know, their actual lower face. So we're mimicking that here with that yellow powder. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our nose. So I'm going to be taking a black eyeliner and I'm just going to go ahead, and you're only going to do this on that flat lower half of your nose, and you're just going to go ahead and just fill that in, making a cat nose. So I'm going to switch over to my black eyeliner pencil, and then what I'm going to do is actually line my upper lip, and then I'm going to kind of exaggerate it a little bit at the ends to kind of give it like a feline feel. Back with the liquid eyeliner, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to connect our nose to our lips. Just gonna make a straight line going straight down the middle. And now you wanna go ahead and do your freckles. So before we actually do our whiskers, we're gonna go ahead and apply some blush, not too much. You're just gonna do a little bit down here, kind of underneath where you typically will put it on your cheeks. Go ahead and do our whiskers, and you can do however many of these as you want. I would say do like maybe 3 to 5. So I'm gonna do 3. Okay, so now you can go ahead and actually do a eye makeup look if you would like. You can keep it, you know, nice and neutral just like this. Pop on some mascara or some lashes and call it a day. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick smoky brown eye just so that we have a little bit more, you know, glam to this look. So before I go ahead and put on my lashes, I just wanted to come back and actually touch up the nose with you guys. So I'm going to take this dark brown colors here, and I'm actually going to stamp this on my nose to kind of get rid of any, like, you know, actual flesh tone that might be peeking through, and to kind of somewhat set this eyeliner in place. So I went ahead to add a wing to the look as well as applying my lashes. So now I'm going to go ahead and actually smoke out our bottom lash line. So first you're going to go ahead and line your bottom lash line. So you can go ahead and just line your bottom lash line and keep it that way, or you can actually smoke it out, which we're going to do right now. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that kind of espresso brown color that we were using earlier, and I'm going to go ahead and smoke out the bottom lashes. Alrighty guys, and here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's Halloween tutorial with me. This is something super simple that you can do if you're not actually going out and you're maybe celebrating Halloween on Zoom with your family and friends, or if you're actually going out and you actually, are going to be wearing a mask. You can absolutely do this look. I mean, you might have to tweak it a little bit, but make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys did like this tutorial, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not, and hit that notification bell. That way you guys know when I release the next Halloween makeup look. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.